It's me, Elisa, and today I'm gonna show you how to make marshmallow slime. So let's get started. First, you need a bowl, and you need something to mix with. I'm using a bread pan. You need this. I'm gonna use to mix in here, and you need some salt. You need some sour cream. You need some sour cream. So let's get started. First, you're gonna put your sour cream. Wait. Okay. Then you're gonna mix it gently. See, mine says sour cream is liquid, so it can be slime. See, mix it gently so it can be slime. See, and then you're gonna put some. You need to put some salt. Okay. So I'm going to put some salt. Okay. Then mix it until it's become nicely blended. Keep mixing it so it can be slime. Wait, let me put some sour cream. So when I'm done, finish this mixing. I'll start this. Okay guys, I'm already done mixing this. It's like it's coming to be slime. See? I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it's still sticky. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so bye guys. So I'm gonna I want to mix it later, so I'm gonna say bye. So bye guys.